Welcome students. Let us see some very important questions for board examination to be held in 2024 from the chapter Quadratic Equation. We are taking this question from NCERT book of exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. There are three parts of this question. First, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Second, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. And third, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, very interesting solution. Here what we have to find out? The nature of the roots. Okay. How we can find out nature of the roots? You know the formula of quadratic equation for solving or finding the value of x. This is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. As you know, the expression b square minus 4ac under this radical sign is known as discriminant. Okay, here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. And the value of this discriminant decides that whether roots of the given quadratic equation will be real, equal, or real not equal, or not real. So with the value of this b square minus 4ac gives all these ideas. Okay. So we have to compare the given equation. Here 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. We'll compare it comparing with the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to here 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5 by comparing these two equations. In place of a, 2 is here, in place of b, minus 3 and in place of c, 5 here. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So this is equal to 9 minus 40. Correct? Understood it? b square minus 4ac. b is minus 3, so b square is 9 and minus 4 into a into c, that is 40. Correct? So 9 minus 40 is equal to how much? This is minus 31. So if value of discriminant is denoted by d also. If value of d is less than 0, it means here b square minus 4ac is if minus 31, then square root of this negative number will not be a real number. That's why here as value of d is equal to 0, so we are having no real roots. So therefore no real roots. This is the answer. What is the answer? No real roots. Okay. If roots would have been real, we are asked to find them. But here roots are not real, so nothing to do. Okay. Now similarly, let us see second question. Second question is here 3x square minus 4 root 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to how much? When we will compare it, this quadratic equation with this general form, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Okay, so therefore here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square means minus 4 root 3 whole square, minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 3, and c, that is 4. Correct? So this is equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square is equal to 48, and this part is also 48. This is equal to 0. So if d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. So here value of d is 0, therefore roots are real and equal. As we know, quadratic equation is having two roots. So in this case, when d is equal to 0, both the roots are real and equal. Correct? So we have to find out, we have to find them. So how to get it? By this formula. Okay? So therefore, x is equal to minus b. Minus b means we have taken here, b is minus 4 root 3. So minus b is 4 root 3 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, we are getting here 0 divided by 2a. A is 3. So 2a means 6. Okay. So this is 0. So we are simply getting 4 root 3 divided by 6. This is plus 0, and another is 4 root 3 minus 0 divided by 6. These are both the roots equal. So this is equal to 2 root 3 by 3, and another is same 2 root 3 divided by 3. We are cancel it with 2. So we are getting 2 root 3 divided by 3. Here also 2 root 3. So these are the roots. Okay. These are the roots. These are the required answer here. Correct? And I am leaving this third question for your practice. And if you could do this question, please write in the comment box. If you find any difficulty for doing this question, please ask. Mention your problem in the comment box. I will reply it. So students, remain in touch with these videos. We are discussing some very important questions for board examinations. So please share these videos with your friends also. And if you are really enjoying learning mathematics with the help of these videos, so your likes are most welcome. And students, hope you might have subscribed this channel. So keep watching. Thank you very much. Wish you best of your exam. Thanks.